Here's an interesting app called F3, Find Friends Anonymous Q&A. So let's just tap Get to install it. Double click to install. Get anonymous photos, videos, messages. Surprise friends with your answer. Receive secrets, confessions, questions. Your inbox has never been so interesting. F3 is a social discovery app to make new friends and communicate with existing ones. Get anonymous messages and questions. Share your link with friends. Let them send you anonymous messages and questions only you can see. Express yourself by making cool answers with photos and videos. Bring them to life with text and drawing tools. So yeah, it's one of the alternatives to this NGL app where you can just, let's just try to sign up. You have a lot of options to sign up, so super easy. And then you just add, for example, your age, you can add your gender, and then create terms of use. And then you just add your username. Profile pictures, select your zodiac sign, add Facebook friends. You need to give access. You can disable those later. And then add your interest, and then done. So and then there you have it. So instantly asks you to upgrade. And then this is like you create the link, share, send me an interesting question, and then you can just share this link, copy that link. It's too many pop-ups, but there you have it. Then you can just ask question, text, send a message or question, or send a photo or video, and you hide your name in the bottom left. So something like that. And then you can see some interesting questions here, my interests, and and then you see your messages. Then you can just swipe to play BFF game, and then that's your account, that's your link which you can share. You can add your song, you can add your highlights, interests. If you wanna, you can just go and here see that save your a lot of settings like on Tinder, and then in the very bottom you can delete your account if you wanna. If you want, you can upgrade, but this is just the price in Danish krone in Europe. But so that's the app. I guess NGL app is much simpler to use. It just focuses on one thing, but it's one of the alternatives to NGL app, so give it a try.